All right, what is going on? Welcome to this video, guys. All right, in this video we're going to be looking at the Model X. All right, this is the 2018 Tesla Model X. This is the 100D model, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the doors. All right, so we're going to be exploring this key fob and how to use it. All right, starting with the doors. All right, this is the screen that pops up in the Model X. As you can see, you got touch screen controls for all your doors, starting with the driver door. So as you can see, you press the button and the door opens by itself. Very cool. All right, to close it, you can close it with the button, or you can actually tap on the brake and the door will close by itself. Put your seatbelt on and you're ready to go, which is 99% of the time how you're going to use it. But in this video we're going to explore this a little bit further, so let's take a look at outside the car. All right, we're going to go ahead and open the passenger door here as well too, since we got a little bit of space around us. All right, so let's take a look at this. So this is a loaner car, and I got this key fob with me here that they gave me. So I think if you press it once, let's check this out, it should lock everything. So let's start with that. Press it once and it closes both doors, locks the car up. Very cool. All right, so let's see what else this thing can do. What if I press it once? All right, pressing it once seems to just unlock it. Let's press it twice. Wow, pressing it twice unlocks it and opens the driver door for you. How cool is that? All right, let's press it once again and lock it back up. All right, let's see if we press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. What happens now? Nothing. All right, so we also have 2 buttons on the side here. So these are going to be your Falcon Wing doors. So let's go ahead and open these simultaneously. All right, so it looks like maybe you got to press them one at a time. It looks like you got to double click them is what you got to do in order to open them. All right, so look at that there. Falcon Wing doors in action. Very nice. I guess you got to double click to close it. It's a nice shot there to close. All right, we'll show you that again. So double click to open, double click to open. Thought if you press it 3 times it does something. We're going to try that again with the doors open. 1, 2, 3. So 3 times does close as well, or maybe not. All right, so we also have of course, open the trunk button, which looks like you got to press everything twice for it to work. But yeah, check this out. We're going to give you that final shot here, and we're going to go ahead and open up everything. Let's see. And just like that, the fob is able to control it all. And let's go ahead and tap it once and see it all close up. All right, as you can see, I'm having a lot of fun here with the Model X doors. Yeah, that's really a cool feature, something you don't get in the 3 and the Y. This is a little bit of an older build. It still has the vertical screen, but I'm really ecstatic with this car. I have to say, it's a lot of fun. To me, it's kind of like the ultimate road trip car. So yeah, one last time for you guys here, signing out. Thanks again for watching. All right, so one last trick up my sleeve here before we do leave you guys. And this is kind of going to be one of my favorite things about the car here. So check this out. When it's all locked up, all you got to do is actually just walk right up to it, and what happens is the door is supposed to open up, but it did not. I don't know why. All right, let's do it now that we know how to open it. 2 clicks and we'll open it that way. Nice. All right, it is a loaner car, so I'm still getting used to it. And of course you can open the Falcon Wing doors here with just a button and close it that way too. But yeah, let me just close the door Thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Hit that like button and hope you have a great night.